All right, so this is an overview of chapter 3, the methodology. Okay, the methodology chapter. So there are 7 sections in this chapter. There's the introduction, there is the research questions, the research design and rationale, which covers the research method, quantitative or qualitative, and then it also covers the research design, which if you're running a quantitative study, you're going to talk about the design you're using, either ex post facto, correlational design, experimental, or quasi-experimental. Or if you're running a qualitative study, you're going to discuss action research, case study, ethnography, or phenomenology. Okay. Now, most of the time, you're going to focus on either ethnography or phenomenology. Okay. Sometimes you may do grounded theory, but that's very rare. Most of the time, you're going to do phenomenology. Okay. Most people are doing a phenomenology study. All right. And then there is the methodology section, which covers population, sampling and sampling procedures, power analysis if you're doing a quantitative study. If you're not doing a quantitative study, you skip this. Procedures for recruitment, participation, and data collection. If you've done a pilot study, you're going to discuss that here, but most people will not do this, so you can skip this. If you're using archival data, you want to discuss that here. And you discuss the instruments or survey instruments that you're using. You're going to discuss the details of it, reliability, internal consistency, validity, and reliability measures. You're going to discuss the data analysis plan, like how you're going to analyze the data. This is regardless of whether you're using quantitative or qualitative analysis. And the next section is threats to validity. What are the threats to external validity? You're going to talk about the threats to internal validity, and you're going to describe any construct or statistical conclusion validity, and I'll go over that when we reach those sections. And then you're going to talk about the ethical procedures, and then you're going to write a summary of the paragraph. Okay? All right, so this is an overview of the chapter 3 methodology section. Now we will go into writing the actual sections, and we'll go right into the introduction.